Alright, number 4, we just want to factor and simplify. So we're given sine x times cosine squared x plus cosine to the 7th power of x. And we just want to factor out what they have in common. So both of these have cosine. The 2nd power is the biggest one. So we're going to factor out cosine squared, and then what we have left is just sine plus, and then we take out 2 of those, we have cosine to the 5th power. So that is the simplification. Cosine squared x, and then in parentheses, sine x plus cosine to the 5th power x of it. Better way to say it. So we're going to similar example here. So with this example, number 5, we want to factor and simplify. So we have sine to the 4th x minus cosine to the 4th of x. And this looks very similar to difference of squares. So if we rewrite this, you can kind of see the difference of squares formula. So let's write this as sine squared x squared, and then minus cosine squared x squared. Property of exponent says if you have exponent or power to a power, you multiply, so that's how you get the 4. And so now it looks like something squared minus something squared. So the formula says to take off the squares, or take the square root of each term, and add them and subtract them. So we will have sine squared x plus cosine squared x, and then we'll have sine squared x minus cosine squared x. This one is a trig identity. It's equal to 1 sine squared plus cosine squared. So this just simplifies to 1 times what we get here. With this one, we can also do difference of squares again. Okay, so that will give us sine x plus cosine x times sine x minus cosine x. Okay. So either we can break it down twice, or we can probably leave it like that. That's even smaller condensed form. But if they want us to factor all the way, I would believe they want us to go all the way. So we're going to do sine x plus cosine x, and then sine x minus